Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for air sign Libra. This is mid-month reading June. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Libra, your recent past. So let's see your recent past. 3 of Swords, 5 of Swords, 10 of Wands. Oh my god. You could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign, definitely. You air sign. And 10 of Wands. There is separation, heartbreak. And one person feel exhausted in this connection due to whatever may be the reasons. One person feeling very exhausted. There are some disputes, 5 of Swords and 3 of Swords, heartbreak. Separation. You both could be in separation. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Recent past separation, Libra. 3 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Queen of Wands. You both could be colleagues or working in same area, or you both have to work on this relationship to take this relationship to next level. And 8 of Pentacles. I think one person right now concentrating on their finance and careers right now, not in this connection. For some definitely your person want to work on this relationship seriously, and you both want, and there is a lot of passion between both of you. Queen of Wands. I think for some your person right now interested in their career. For some your person want to work on this relationship. So let's pull some thoughts, your person, near future actions towards you, Libra. King of Cups, Death. Lot of readings got death card, transformation. Queen of Swords. Yes, your person want to offer this cup of love to you, but it will take time because the death, transformation. Your person undergo some transformation. After the transformation, he will come towards you and offer this cup of love to you. And a Queen of Swords. I think one person is heartbroken and cut the communication totally. Queen of Swords here. Who is in this energy, in this relationship? Definitely that person could be straightforward. If you're not given enough to this person, definitely they will cut out no matter what. So one person in this relationship could be like this. But one person want to come towards you and offer this cup of love after the transformation. So let's pull some cards from universe. Death is also new beginnings. 2 of Swords, 2 of Pentacles, juggling. One person juggling. 5 of Cups. Last card, 3 of Cups. For some there is also third party. That's why in past there is separation also. One person in this relationship feeling very sad due to the separation and they want reconciliation with you. But one person in this relationship juggling more. They are blindfolded and they are at some crossroads. Don't know what to make decision. What decision they have to make. But you person, Libra, your person want to come towards you and offer this cup of love. So definitely if you accept this love, there will be reconciliation. So choice is yours. You have to make decision. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.